Good day to you. This is Christopher Genillard of Genillard & Co. in Munich. We are the project leader of a prototype under this Iliad digital twin of the ocean project. It's called Aquaculture Risk Metrics, Norway, and it's a pilot project. We face in Norway the current situation and problem as follows. Aquaculture is a very big industry. 11.2 billion euros was the revenue from fish farming in 2024, making it the second biggest industry in the country. There is an increasing hazard risk for fish farmers due to climate change. There is a need definitely for climate change adapted risk management, and all stakeholders need better predictive analytics to ensure risk awareness, compliance, sustainability, and a profitable future for the industry. So for this purpose, we have devised this digital solution. We're using advanced data technology to gather all relevant risk data on one platform that will become a digital twin of fish farming in Norway. We perform holistic risk assessment and use predictive analytics to identify future risk scenarios that can be mitigated through adaptation measures and/or enable the purchase of tailored insurance. And for this, we're creating a software as a service web platform that can be made available to all stakeholders in fish farming through a licensing agreement. Now, what are the general platform functionalities and benefits? On our platform, you will be able to find dashboards for historical, near real-time and projected data assessment, underlying data, the relevant ocean parameters and risks, backed up by algorithms for key assessment functionalities. We will perform holistic risk assessment for all aquaculture sites along the Norwegian coast, and this will be beneficial not only for operators of fish farms, but also their insurers, for public authorities, for research institutions, and other stakeholders along the aquaculture value chain. Two key functionalities and benefits would be an early warning in case of increased risk, and then very much increased transparency for increasing sustainability. Let me now please show you how these dashboards would work in terms of risk assessment using various perils. Our first peril assessment here is sea temperature rating along the Norwegian coast. We log the sea water temperature weekly and have done this for a period that lasts from 2012 to 2025. And this enables a geographic scoring of the suitability for salmon farming. So that's the first peril that we have available via dashboard. A second peril is the sea salinity rating along the Norwegian coast. Here also we can provide a geographic scoring of the suitability for salmon farming. The red color is less suitable and the blue color is more suitable. A third peril that we have assessed is sea lice and their propagation along the Norwegian coast. We have a lice count, a historical lice count per single farm, can then select the weekly lice development and also the trajectories. This is available at the moment for one single region. A fourth peril that we can analyze and assess is the storm surge. We have a historical heat map with windstorm event susceptibility along the Norwegian coast, the incidence of windstorms. The blue is the less exposed, and the red is the more exposed. And then our fifth, and in here this showing of demo risk or peril, is the oil spill, which is much talked about. So what we do here is we map the correlation of the possible impact of an offshore oil spill on nearshore fish cages by the modeling of drifts and currents. The red triangles that you see here are the rigs, and then the lines are the statistical drift. So this would give you a time distance assessment capability if there is a big oil spill. Thanks very much for your time. If there's anything else you'd like to know about our Norwegian pilot, you can please use at the end of the presentation the contact data that we've given. Thank you very much.